time ko yan.
Koy, learn the moves, Koy.
But yung next naman po, monkey dance or sayo ng unggoy. So yung mga idols po naniniwala that here in Subic Forest, no other animals can match the skills of a monkey when it comes to hunting and foraging. So once again, monkey dance or sayo ng unggoy.
We want George.
Dito na kami guys.
Excuse lang po yung kid. Excuse. Akit po yan. Yung final dance naman po nila, the war dance or sayaw ng binabayani. So yan po, hindi normally perform that whenever misunderstanding arises between two tribes. Ayan, so real bow and arrow po yung hawak nila. Or panaan pala. So either dialect example, tawag nila dyan, bawi and yaw.
Nasa'yo na ang lahat. Minamahal ka na. Paano?